Good morning. It is a beautiful Wednesday morning. The past couple of days were a washout. Sunday, it was not a great weather. Monday was just dreadful. Yesterday was even worse. I was trying to remember. So today was so far the only decent day in the past couple of days that I could venture out to do fun things and to film. So heading out, no packages today, and we'll see where I can make some stops. I do have to at some point pick up Macy's package. They gave me a final warning to pick up the pair of shoes, so looking forward to that. I hope they were all sold out, specifically that color, so I'm hoping that they were not worn, because I was going back and checking the website. It was out of stock, and then all of a sudden, specifically my size was in. I grabbed it right away, had it delivered to Macy's, to the store, so I'm picking it up now. I also ordered another color of Dolce & Gabbana nail polish, and just checking if there's somebody behind me, because I did love this one so much. I have to take this off now. Some of it is already peeling. It's almost been like 2 weeks now, so I'm taking it off today, and I hope that I like the next color, because I really want to keep it just magical. Just the dry time is incredible, so hopefully it works out for me and I don't have to switch out. And I wish they would do more colors, because it's really nice. The weather with the rains and everything is still not as warm, so I'm still staying in pants for now. I think I jinxed myself with calling out the dress season just a day or two early. I think you can still see the tan lines from the weekend. What was it? The flea market at Dumbo. That was fun. So I knew this brand since they opened up in Williamsburg, and well, they are at the Rockefeller Center now. How cute are these? Fabulous. This is what I was looking for. They are brand new, never worn. This is incredible. Unless I find a flaw, we're good to go. So let's talk about it. These are fabulous. Check that out. How gorgeous are these? I will be taking them. This is the color that I was searching for. All the other colors are available. I think it's like a baby blue, a beautiful blue. There's also pink, red, and white. And the other colors are available, but the pink was not. And I finally found this. I was hoping they were not worn, and they're not. They're completely... The toe looks a little bit on the long side, but that's okay. They do have a variation of the shoe with a higher heel. It is sold out as well, so I'll take what I can. Still fabulous, so yay. And then the other item in this package, dropping. The other item in this package is the nail color, and this is in Queen number 4. And I love this so much. I still have the other color on, but I have to remove it. I'm not showing the other hand because the other hand is already coming off. But it does keep my real nails strong. So that's the only reason why I didn't want to remove it ahead of time. So I'll just have to deal with butchered nails for the rest of the day. That's okay. I'll suck it up. But this is the other color. And look, I just realized that it actually matches the shoes. How perfect is this? This is incredible. This was not planned. This was not planned at all, but I wasn't planning on getting the second color, but because I loved the silver one, which is this one, has little different undertones like silver and purple and green. But this is the only time that I think you can see it where there's no sunlight, there's no glare, but this is supposed to be kind of on the pink and gold side. I don't like the gold side, but I'll try the pink and hopefully it comes out good. We'll see. I'll test it out, but it does match the shoes perfectly, which is lovely. So this is the first time that I'm going from this way, pretty much backwards from what I normally do or did before. That's the road, and we are above it. Pigeon. We have to go that way, so we're just gonna make a little U-turn. So last week I came here because I wanted to check something out, and unfortunately I did not look up which address it was located at. So I went the opposite way and I did not find it. So that's exactly what we're doing today. I want to try to do it today.
This is Highline Art, and this is new, and that's why I didn't mention it, because I forgot. Because I haven't given a tour with those pieces on display. En tout cas, je vais...
Am I missing something? Is it somewhere downstairs? I think this is where I came out yesterday. I'm going nuts. I think I missed it again. Yo. It's getting humid now. You can feel, I should have worn a dress, but the weather in the morning is different from the way it is in the afternoon, so I don't want to get sick while the weather's changing it either. Last time I got on 23rd and I left, or I exited out on the 14th. Today I entered at the Hudson Yard location, and I think I just passed through it, never realizing that it was somewhere around there. So I missed it again and I exited on the 23rd, just making circles. It will have to wait. I will come back at some point, not today. We're not doing this again. But at some point I will come back and try to get it anyways.